Hi there, my name is Ashi and welcome back to another video. So today we will take a look at top TWS or truly wireless stereo earphones under rupees 5000 in India right now. Now you'll find a bunch of impressive options from Oppo, Realme, OnePlus and Xiaomi. But I will be telling you which one is the best for you. We've also reviewed each of these earphones, so you can also read our detailed review on gadgets360.com. Now let's begin. The Oppo Enco W51 is among the best pair of true wireless earphones. They get a glossy finish, proper in-canal fit and touch controls, so you can just double tap on the left side to control active noise cancellation and double tap on the right to answer calls or skip to the next track. Further, they get some premium features like wireless charging, IP54 dust and water resistance rating, and in terms of audio quality, they offer a detailed and well-balanced sound with impressive bass. On the whole, you should go for Oppo Enco W51 if you're looking for earbuds that are great for calls, offer a detailed sound experience with comfortable grip and active noise cancellation. The only downside is that its touch controls aren't reliable. If you have a OnePlus phone, then the best option for you is OnePlus Buds Z. And even if you do not own a OnePlus phone, then the Buds Z is still a very good pair of earphones for the price. They get a stylish design and an outer ear fit that offers great sound isolation. There is no active noise cancellation, but you will get environmental noise cancellation. Further, the OnePlus Buds Z has USB Type-C fast charging and IP55 dust and water resistance. So to sum up, from fit to comfort and sound, the OnePlus Buds Z is an excellent pair of true wireless earphones. Its major drawback is it has limited touch controls and some features are limited to OnePlus smartphone. Another great option in this budget is the Nokia Power Earbuds Lite. And the best feature of this headset is IPX7 water resistance rating, which means that the earphones can handle a lot of water exposure. They are great for calls and offer clear sound and reasonable microphone performance in quiet environments. They might seem like an ordinary and basic pair of true wireless earphones at first glance, but battery life is among the best you can get in this segment. So you should go for Power Earbuds Lite for its tight bass, clean sound quality and superb battery life. However, its fit feels a bit too snuggy and there's no advanced Bluetooth codec support on the headset. Next up on our list is Realme Buds Q2. They come with a lot of features in a tiny package, including active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, excellent app support and USB Type-C fast charging. But when it comes to sound quality, these aren't the best in this list. The sound is ordinary but good enough for basic listening sessions. So you should go for Realme Buds Q2 if you have a very tight budget and you want active noise cancellation in your earbuds. However, there are some drawbacks including narrow sound stage, shrill highs and a low latency mode that isn't particularly useful. So those were our top picks for TWS earphones in India right now, and my personal favorite has to be Oppo Enco W51. Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite TWS earphones in market right now. Thanks for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video.